Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're diving into something completely new that we don't normally cover on our channel. How do you generate 3D game assets and models using AI? We're using an incredible platform called Meshy AI. Let's open the Meshy AI workspace, navigate to the Image tab, and start by generating a first reference image. For this project, let's create a blue humanoid dragon, our official mascot. We'll simply paste our prompt, choose Nano Banana Pro as the AI model, and then hit Generate. Let's pick the best result among these. Now, we can transform this image into a model with image to 3D on the right and let the engine convert our 2D artwork into a fully realized 3D mesh. There it is. The base structure of our AI-generated model is completed in a few minutes. Wow! Let's inspect the mesh from every angle and check the number of faces and vertices displayed in the top left corner. For a first-generation result, this mesh already looks fantastic. Now, how do we add realistic textures to this 3D model? Let's head to the Texture tool and select the exact reference image we used earlier. Look at that! After waiting just a few minutes, we have a fully textured, production-ready game asset. Notice the crisp color gradients and the clean details along the tail. The model quality here is exceptional. At the bottom, we can share the creation with friends via a link, email, or social media. Or simply export and download the asset in standard 3D file formats optimized for software like Blender, Maya, or game engines. There is even a 3D printing check to ensure the geometry is printable. How about animating this 3D model? Let's open the Animate tab on the left to get tons of pre-made animation templates. Before applying them, we need to rig the character by placing joints wherever the model needs to bend and deform. The first step reduces the polygon count to 10,000, after which we can rig the model and select humanoid as the character type on the right. Let's click Next, adjust the joint offsets, fine-tune the overall character height, make sure the skeleton nodes align perfectly with the limbs, and hit Confirm. And here is our fully rigged and animated character. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, we can apply any of the motion templates on the left panel to bring the asset to life. So, what do you think of Meshy AI? Start meshing today and generate 3D assets in minutes with the link in the description below, and enjoy an exclusive 50% discount.